Yangon, Myanmar, the latest and the conviction of two writers reporter in Myanmar for illegally possessing official documents, all times local. 2 p.m. Britain's ambassador says the verdict against two writers journalists has undermined media freedom in Myanmar. While none of the those who were convicted Monday of violating colonial secrecy law sentenced to 7 years in prison. They were arrested while reporting on Myanmar's brutal crackdown on Rohingya Muslims. British Ambassador Dan Chog, who was in court for Monday's verdict, said the case has struck a hammer blow to the rule of law in Myanmar. He said diplomats attended the trial believe the judges ignored evidence and Myanmar's laws. The journalists testified they did not solicit or knowingly possess any secret documents. And the police officer who testified his commander had ordered the documents be planted and the journalists was subsequently jailed for a year. Chog called for the journalists' release. On _1 p.m. the US says the conviction of two Reuters reporters in Myanmar is deeply troubling for all who support press freedom and the transition toward democracy. While none of the those who were found guilty Monday of violating the colonial official secrets act while reporting on government abuses against the country's Rohingya Muslims. In a statement, the US Embassy in Yangon said the clear flaws in this case raise serious concerns about rule of law and judicial independence in Myanmar. And the reporter the conviction is a major setback to the government of Myanmar's stated goal of expanding democratic freedom. It called for their immediate release. On court and 40 a.m. court in Myanmar has sentenced two Reuters journalists to 7 years in prison for illegal possession of official documents, a ruling that comes as international criticism mounts over the military's alleged human rights abuses against Rohingya Muslims. While none of the those who had pleaded not guilty to violating the Colonial Official Secrets Act, punishable by up to 14 years in prison. They contended they were framed by police. Monday's verdict was postponed from a week ago. The two journalists had been reporting last year on Myanmar's brutal crackdown against the Rohingya in the country's western state of Rakhine. Investigators working for the UN, the top human rights body, said last week that genocide charges should be brought against senior Myanmar military officers over the crackdown.